The Logitech G502X. Does it live up to its title of the world's best-selling gaming mouse? Let me tell you, the G502 collection is something to talk about. If you have been using the Logitech G products before, I think that you'd be very familiar with the G502 lineup. The G502X collection is truly amazing and has been redesigned and re-engineered with all the latest gaming technology to provide you with the best gaming experience. The new G502X collection includes the G502X Plus, which is a wireless mouse with RGB light sync, the G502X Lightspeed, which is also a wireless gaming mouse but without the RGB, and the G502X, which is a wired mouse weighing in at 89 grams. The G502X collection comes in two different colors, being a beautiful black and an elegant white, which pretty much means it fits in any setup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech G502X Plus and give you my personal experience with the mouse, its features and technology you should consider, and how it has improved my game and become my G502 icon. So here I have the G502X Plus. The box has been designed in a grey color with blue holographic text. On the sides and the back display all the details and features of the mouse that you should know. As we open the box, we see the mouse in all of its glory. As you can see here, we have the black colorway version of the mouse, and it fits in perfectly with my black theme setup. In the box, we get the USB receiver, the DPI shift button cover, and once we open a little bit deeper into the box, we can see that we get the USB-C cable and the USB extension adapter. One of the new and innovative features of this mouse and of the G502X lineup is its new Light Force hybrid switches, which allows you to experience the benefits of both mechanical and optical light switches, meaning that you get the benefits of reliability and high speeds of optical switches while still maintaining that satisfying tactile click you get with a mechanical mouse. You get to experience all the benefits without compromise. When I was using this mouse, I could definitely notice the increased speeds and performance of my mouse inputs when playing Call of Duty compared to my previous mouse, which used mechanical switches. Coming from a controller background, using a mouse is already a new challenge in itself for me, but the G502X Plus has made that transition smoother than ever. Lightspeed is available for the G502X Plus and the G502X Lightspeed, which is 68% faster than previous generations of the G502 line. Now I don't know about you, but 68%, that is a lot. And I know that some of you out there would agree with me that 68% is game changing. The G502X Plus has new light sync RGB with 8 customizable LEDs through the G-Hub software, where you can customize endlessly to your desires. Whether that be to set a mood, to match your setup, or immerse yourself deeper in your gaming experience. I've personally made mine blue and white to match my gaming logo, and it actually looks pretty cool. The G-Hub software can be downloaded from the Logitech website and is available for the Mac OS and Windows. Once you have downloaded the software, it will automatically detect your device and you will be able to customize it. Like we spoke about earlier, the mouse comes with a DPI shift button cover that allows you to remove the DPI button completely, or you can change the orientation of the DPI button itself to cater to your preference, whether that be to have the flare facing towards the mouse or away from the mouse. I found this to be a great feature of the mouse. As being someone who doesn't change their DPI often, I opted to use the DPI shift button cover to remove my DPI completely, allowing me to fill up that empty space with a rubber cover. The mouse features 13 buttons that are all programmable using the G-Hub software that allows you to customize your mouse to your personal play. The G502X collection comes with a dual mode scroll wheel that allows you to switch between free spin or ratchet mode. I've never used a mouse with free spin before, and let me tell you, it felt very smooth. Switching weapons was a breeze for me, and it was also just fun to fiddle around with when I was waiting in a lobby. The G502X Plus weighs 106 grams, the G502X Lightspeed weighs 101.5 or 102 grams depending on the color you choose, and the G502X weighs 89 grams, which is lighter than all previous versions of the G502. I thought that the weight of the mouse was perfect for me, as I have a very heavy hand and it made movements feel very comfortable and smooth for me. The G502X collection all come with PTFE feet for minimized friction to increase performance. I've noticed this quite a bit and it has definitely helped me snap on a few heads in Valorant and COD. The feet allow me to move the mouse smoothly and quickly and has definitely improved my gaming performance. From my personal experience with the mouse, I can say that this mouse is definitely made for gamers. The amount of times I can say this mouse has clutched for me is an understatement. I feel like an esports pro, but in my own world. I've not been playing with a mouse for very long, but it was easy to adapt with the G502X Plus. I mainly use it in Call of Duty and Valorant, and I actually managed to play relatively well for someone who has been playing with a controller for their whole life. I even managed to get my first ace in Valorant. This mouse is so fun to use, and there are so many features that are so exciting that who knows, I might even make the permanent switch. It's become an icon in my gaming setup and is definitely one of my favorite pieces of equipment I have today. The G502X collection is bringing the latest and greatest in gaming technologies when it comes to gaming mouse, and everyone has their iconic mouse that they've grown to love. Maybe one of the mouse in the G502X collection can become your gaming icon, as all of these gaming mouse suit someone out there. Maybe you're opting for a lighter mouse and don't mind a wide connection. The G502X may be for you. Maybe you don't mind the heavier mouse and want that wireless connection, then maybe you'd opt for the G502X Lightspeed or the G502X Plus. All in all, these gaming mouse bring something to the table with a bunch of benefits. The G502 line is a legend among the gaming community and holds the title of the world's best-selling gaming mouse. Its 10-year journey has been incredible, evolving from the G502 Hero to the G502 Lightspeed and reaching new and greater heights with the G502X Plus. Each G502 is a true contender that will eventually become your gaming icon. So who will your G502 icon be? Please let me know down in the comments below which G502 is your favorite or which one you want to upgrade to next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.